How to fix Mac storage being full. Now, first of all, to check up how much storage you have, you want to go to settings. In settings, in general, you want to go to storage over here, and you can see how much storage is currently being used. Right now 91.83 GB in my system is free. Out of all that, you can see what is taking how much storage. So applications in this case is taking 9.25. Developer, this is my codex from ChatGPT, that is 1.4 GB, and downloads are 33 GB, and so on, right? And trash is also about 29.9 GB. So to delete stuff, you can actually go and click this I, for example, in applications, and you can see what is taking so much storage. So in this case, Acrobat Reader, let's say I don't want it, I can select it and select delete over here and select delete again. I will have to put in my admin user and password and then select OK. You can see now it is going to be deleted. So 1.8 GB thereabout has been now cleared off. So you can go through all the applications and check out. You need not do it right over here. You can also go to Finder, and then on the left side you have in favorites applications. Go through all the applications on your Mac and check out whether you actually use them. If you don't use them, you can just uninstall them. Secondly, go to your downloads folder. You can also go over there from documents. You can select I over here and then go to downloads and select whatever you want to delete. Or you can also go to Finder and go to downloads and look at all the files you don't need and then just delete them. After you've done that, make sure to delete trash as well. So trash, generally speaking, will stay in your system for about 30 days. After that, it will automatically delete itself. But you can also go right ahead and select empty over here to delete it. And now you can see, let's see, initially, as you can remember, trash was about 30 GB. Now it's not in this list at all because I've deleted it, and that is great, right? So again, at the bottom you have other users and shared. So if you have any other users on your MacBook, they will also obviously take up some space in your SSD, and you can see how much storage it is actually taking up. Now macOS is going to take a substantial amount, that is about 36 GB, and system data is different and is going to take another 36 GB. So 72 GB is gone right over here. I'm also going to create another video telling you how to clear off the system data. If you want to check that out, I'll link it down below. You need not always have to delete everything. You can also move this to an external hard drive. Let's say some things, if you don't use them regularly, you can just move it to an external drive so that it's not taking a space on your Mac actively. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.